Hey loves, welcome back again to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how I created this masterpiece. This cake also had some fillings, you get to see all that, and even how I made the rice paper. So if you'd like to see it, keep watching. Right now all I'm going to do is to layer the cakes, add some fillings, and also stack the cakes. The height of this cake is 8 inches, so you want to cut 7 inches of the skewers. Like I mentioned in my previous video, you can add dowel rods or you can also use bubble tea straws. So right now I'm just going to compose the cake. I'm adding the final coating of the cream on the cake, and I already prepared my colors. I'm using pink, peach, and black. So I added another layer of black frosting, and now I'm adding some peach slash pinkish color, sparingly. And right now I'm just going to scrape it slightly. I'm using a light hand so that it looks marbled. Now I'm making a wavy design using this stainless steel scraper. I think I've showed you in my previous video. I like to use it for the top of the cake. To jazz up the cake a little bit, I'm adding a touch of gold. If you're still watching up to this point, thank you so much. Please remember to subscribe, drop a comment, like, and share this video. And also turn on your post notifications so you get notified when next I drop a video. Cut up your rice paper, cut it into 4 pieces, and you can cut it into 2 and you can use it just as a whole like that. So all you want to do after cutting it is to dip it into the water. You want to dip it into the water for about a minute or less than that, actually a few seconds, for it to get soft. You don't want it to be too soft, but you want it to be soft up to a point where you can fold it or you can create a design with it. When it's too hard, you won't be able to make a design. So it's soft at this point, and I'm just going to make a small design just by folding the ends of it. Like I'm making it to look like a fan, if you understand what I mean. And I'm just going to do this. So when you are putting more than one inside, you have to be careful and you have to be very fast. Otherwise, I'll prefer you just use one at a time. So I'm just going to repeat this till I'm done. Once you're done, you bake it in the oven for about 5 minutes and it should come out like this. You can bake it for less, but once it's dry, just bring it out. So you can add a touch of gold to the side. You can add another color, just play with it. You can even make this a plain color and then put any color of your choice on it. So I'm sticking the picture on the cake. I want to make sure that I'm also getting the sides to stick to the cake so it doesn't pop out in transit. And right now I'm just adding the edible gold sheet or gold leaves, as it's fondly called or popularly called. I'm adding it in big chunks to the side of I'm just using it to frame the side of that picture. And now it's time to design the cake with the rice papers. So I cut up the ends of the rice paper because it was too thin, and I just want it to sit this way, but you don't have to. You see how I decorated the other side of this cake. For that one, I didn't have to cut the ends of the rice papers. For this side, I just used it up the way I created it without cutting it. You can see that the end of this one is thin. Right now, I'm just adding some fox balls to the cake to make it more beautiful. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. I made this cake for a makeup artist. She's big. She's a popular makeup artist on Instagram and she's also on YouTube. Her name is Eden's Glam. If you want to step up your makeup game, you want a makeup class or you want makeup tutorials, just check out her page on Instagram and on YouTube. Love you and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.